It did not take me one, not two, not three, not four, or five, but 6 tries just to get this so perfect, so precise that I finally did it. And I welcome you, your education of CLI, Command Line Interface. I present my data and what I learned, and now teaching you guys how to do what I did. Here's everything I've shown, have ever done to this point. Let's jump into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another one. Today we're going to be playing with a virtual machine and going into terminal and typing some command line interface code. So this is a tutorial of how to do that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, first we need ls. Once we have ls, hit enter. Now that gives us these right here, our document or file path. So we need to cd. If you look at our notes, change the current directory. So by typing cd, and now we need to type document, which you type doc, and then if you hit tab key, it should autocomplete. Now it says we're in our document, and now next we're going to pwd. Okay, so I got a little too far. I was supposed to set, we're supposed to ls, enter, then pwd. And then as you can see, we went home to my name to documents which we are now in. So next we hit, now we do this command right here, mkdir, which creates a new directory. So we're gonna type that in, mkdir, and we're gonna type, you can name it whatever, but I'm gonna name it employees, and then enter. Now we're gonna type ls. Now that employees is now a document. And now we're going to do cd employee tabs. So I just typed emp and hit tab, auto completes. Now ls. Okay, now that we have our ls, we hit pwd. Now we're in home Aiden document employees. After doing that, we okay. Next is touch. So touch. So we type touch, and then we type our name of that. So touch. Let's go in ease. I hit tab and it's not auto completing for some reason, which is okay. Just type exactly what I typed, and then we ls, which is perfect. Okay. Now after our ls, we're gonna do cat. So let me find cat on our node. Cat, display the contents of a file. So we type cat, and then we type employee, and then we type name, enter ls, and then we have that. Actually, I was not supposed to hit ls. I went too far. I was supposed to do it nano. So we type cat employees names enter. Alright, so we're already in the directory. Okay. We're already in it. So now type nano. After typing nano, we type employees. So what's cool about this is I can use my up arrow and get that. I typed it in wrong. My bad. It's cat m tab employee name enter. Why isn't that? So apparently not working. Hold on, guys. No, employees. That's like, oh, I see what I did wrong. I put cat. I meant nano. Nano. Employee name. And now it puts me in here. So, that's okay. We got a rough bump. We got through it. That was my bad. But, sometimes mistakes happen. Okay, now I'm going to go to my ChatGPT or AI software. That is not ChatGPT. Whoopsies. We want ChatGPT. We ask it, give me 20 employees' name. So after doing that, I think I added one space. That is not what I meant. And then it's doing its AI thing. Now I highlight all of that, copy, and now we go back to our notes. And then I think we gotta find it real quick. Adding a user to the system. I think we're on this step. I don't know what I said. So now we gotta paste it. You can't do a control V. You have to manually paste it. We want to paste. We got our names. Control X, and then it says save monitoring. We want to click Y. Yes. And then hit enter. Now, go to here and go to back to our thing. If we type cat employee, we want name, enter, and now it gives the that. And then if we continue with that, type head. I went too far in the note. If we type head, employee name, only get a few. If we type tail, few. Now let's go down, go to add user. Okay, now I'm gonna type cat employee name, gives us that. Then I'm gonna type this, which is, gotta find it, this. No, it did not want to upgrade. Sorry about that. Anyways, we want to go back and type. Alright, so we have to be in the directory of that file. Basically, type. It's a weird name, but it does its job. So type xdg and then minus sign open, and then we type employees and then name. I typed that code wrong. Okay. Let me try one more time. Open. Wait. There we go. I don't know what happened. I really don't know. But that's okay. Anyway, it opens the text editor. As you can see, we have the names from earlier when we typed John 1. And then I like how it numbers it to 1 through 20, which is good and helpful. Okay, so we're gonna hit save, exit, scroll down, and then we're gonna type cat employee, and then tab cat employee names, and then hit enter. And yeah. Now I could have opened that up, the text editor, and removed the name. So you can add anything, and if you hit cat, you know. Anyways, moving forward. Okay, now we're gonna add users. So I'm gonna super user do add user. We're adding the user, add user name, and then we add the person. So for John, we'll add lowercase j Smith, enter, and then we type in our password. Top of the line stuff. I typed in alert, add user. The username does not exist. Username. It does not exist. That's interesting. It should exist. So I'm gonna go figure it out. Actually, yeah. Okay, I figured it out. We use our up arrow, and we have it right. We don't need this. So now enter. Now it's adding the user. A new pass. And now we need to give it a password. I'm gonna make it 1, 2, 3. Actually, no. I'm gonna make it something funny. And then we hit enter. Password is. And on. And then it's gonna give me the information. Okay. Now we type the one we set. So John Smith. I typed Smith wrong. Smith. Okay, now enter. New number, just say enter. Work phone, enter. Home phone, enter. Other, enter. Is this information correct? Hit Y for yes, and then enter. And now we added him. Okay, now we need to check if he's in the system. So we're going to our notes. We added user, adding new user to the system. Now we show user in the system. So we do it. Get int group, hit enter. I typed in that command wrong. My bad. I did not mean to do that. Um, I don't understand. I'll type it one more time. I see what I did. I typed GENT and I'm supposed to type this. So there we go. And then group. Mistakes happen. Now it's still not. I type group. I am sorry, guys. My typing skills are not on point today. Get in group, okay. Now I see it was. Now we have this Smith. These are other information, and so now we have what we want. Okay, so now we're gonna add another one user. So we're gonna use our up arrow on our keyboard to go previously. So, sudo arrow. Okay, now look at that. Who's next? Who's next? Sarah Johnson. So S. So S. John. I cannot. John. Son. And then wait, new password. Let's make it. Enter. Perfect. Full name. Sarah. John. Son. I think I did it right. Yes, I did. And we enter. Enter. Other. Y. Perfect. Okay, same thing. Okay, go to get and get group. Enter, and now you can see we have those two users, J. Smith and S. Johnson, or Josh Smith and Sarah Johnson. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to do a CD. After doing a CD, now we're going to do a, where is it go? I am sorry. I have found it. Sudo sudo group add. So we're gonna do a sudo group add, and then I'm gonna say do something basic. So human resources. Don't mind my spelling. So we enter, and now we're gonna do the same thing. Up arrow, delete this. What's this? Type MC Donald's McDonald Mc we'll say MC for McDonald's. Actually, let's say that. Donald's let's type MCD. Now we're gonna click enter. Same thing, but for marketing. Enter. Now we're gonna do a get in group, get in group, and have that. Now I have 2 users right here, and then I have this right here. Human, McDonald's, and marketing. So now, next is sudo user mod tag ad, and then we're gonna do a hu human resources okay, and now we just pick one we want. Let's say J Smith. Gotta make sure lowercase J Smith, and we hit enter. Human resource. Did I type resource wrong? I did. So we're gonna try it. So doing that, we put him in MC Donald. There we go. Enter. Now go back top, get and group. Now if we go to McD, he is now listed under there, and that's how you do it. And if you want to do it with the other name, Sarah Johnson, just type sudo usermod, and then this. Make sure you have the name of the object you want it to want them go to, and then type their name next, and then get in group to see that you've done it. And now, for the last thing, I hope you guys have a good computer. If you don't, that's okay. I'm sorry if this crashes, but be warned. If you have a terrible computer, don't do this. So PS and AUX, and it shows us all this data. Gives us log, everything. If we scroll to the top, we have the time. Time is now 8:32. For me, it tracks every so often. And now, and then type the tax 8 and enter, and it shows us how much space we have on our hard drive and everything else. And then here are some basics, not that complex. So let's click up time, enter, and it gives us time. It's 8:34, 9, as you can see, 8:34, and 19 seconds, up to 50 minutes. One user, load average, then it gives you information. Alright, so here are my notes. This is the old version of ifconfig, and here's the new IP, a modern replacement for if config to display or caps I'm sorry, I can't read. Network interface. So we just type IP and see what it does. So now we're gonna do IP address show, and it shows us everything, which is really, really cool. Well, that is going to be the end of it. I am glad you guys had fun doing this. I hope you guys learned a lot. And here are all of my engineering notes that you guys would be able to look at. So Linux command line interface, or CLI user command. And here we go. Here are the commands to everything we have done, and there will be a link in my e-portfolio to my notes, so you can just go back and do this over and over. This is really good, helping your skills improve, learning some code. But yes, I did not cover everything. There are a few things I did skip because of time and where I needed to be. But if you want to do the rest, if you guys want to test out, do it. You guys can be my guest and test it. But I am sorry, did not cover every little detail. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys in the next one. Make sure you do when you're all done, make sure you do a sudo shut down now, hit enter, and it will shut down automatically, and you can just keep moving forward. I forgot to mention that, and I want to put that in the video.